let's recap. We got something that fell on the floor. Hold on. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old and I'm really into makeup, so I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting products, stuff that can help with aging, fine-lined wrinkles, under eye circles, you name it. My other passion is purchasing and trying on makeup. Makeup can be expensive, so I've been into beauty box subscriptions, and today we are going to be unboxing the May 2020 Boxycharm. This is what the box looks like. Let's dig in and see what we got this month. For those of you who are new to beauty subscriptions, particularly Boxycharm, this is a $25 a month subscription where you get 5 full-size products. Boxycharm also has a $35 a month subscription level where you get 6 to 7 products. And then I actually sign up for Boxy Luxe, which is quarterly, every 3 months, starting March, June, September, and December. I get, for an additional $24.99 that month only, I will receive 8 to 9 full-size products. So stick around next month to see what I get in my Boxy Luxe. Alright, let's dig in and see what we got. This is what the inside of the box looks like. There's a card, and it says, Mother Nature. On the back, we have descriptions of the products along with pricing. I am iteration 62. That's pretty high. I think the highest I've ever been is 31 or 34. And it's so cute. The card says, packed with gloves and love. So, in the pandemic we're living in today, that's an extra nice sentiment. I'm going to reach in and see what we got. This thing, whatever I grabbed, is heavy. I'm excited. I see the name. This is the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Huge safety seal. ELEMIS is one of those brands that is super expensive but super good. I was on a cruise once and I was so mad at my husband. We both had massages and he cannot say no to anyone, and they always try to upsell you. And he came back with a $60 bottle of body wash. And honestly, I thought ELEMIS was a brand that was only sold on cruise ships. Later, I come to learn, no, it's a very prestigious brand. Alright, what is this? This is the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. They are powered by patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visible luminous complexion. I am excited. So it's an exfoliating pad. Alright. Boxycharm, you're off to a good start. Last month, not so much. I forgot to mention, the ELEMIS Resurfacing Facial Pads are $59. Okay. Alright, item number 2. Feels like a lip. Lip it up. Okay, it's pretty sad when you can tell what something is just by the size and shape. Oh, this is Dose of Colors. Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. This is a Liquid or stick? Why do they make these so hard? Do you guys find, comment down below if you find these little teeny boxes hard to open without ripping. Ooh, that's pretty packaging. You can see with the reflection. Oh, I've never seen a lipstick with a chiseled shape like that. That's interesting. Looks like a nice color though. Oh, it's a dusty rose chocolate mocha mauve mixture. Let me try this on. Let's see. That is right up my alley. Okay, I forgot to mention the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick is $17. Okay, 2 for 2. Boxy. Doing good so far. Okay. Comment down below. Are you guys upset about not getting a haircut as much as I am? Do you have long hair so you can put it into a ponytail easily? My short hair is getting that awkward stage. I will make it do. Alright, next item. What is this? See the word face. Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. Ooh. What brand is this? Oh. This is a cover and concealer crayon. It says, finally you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. Retail price $24. Let's see how they did with the complexion. Oh, interesting. I thought it was open, but just the packaging looks like it's open, but it's not. Now, let's see. It goes that way so you can see. That's what it looks. This looks very similar to an eyeshadow stick I have. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's right there. Okay, I've never seen a concealer in a crayon before. Very interesting. I'm going to say 3 for 3 so far. Alright, item number 4. Also feels like a lip. This is from a company called Joer. I'm going to presume this is pronounced in a French way and is Joer. Comment down below if you know how to pronounce this brand. Ooh. Interesting packaging. It's interesting. I've seen square glass ones, but it's got like a, I don't know if you can pick up on camera. It's like a crevice here. Interesting. I wonder what, if you can stack them together. I don't know. Let's read about this product. Joer Cosmetics High Pigment Lip Gloss. Oh, it's a gloss. This non-sticky full coverage gloss moisturizes lips using jojoba seed oil and provides a creamy full coverage pearl finish that glides on smoothly. Retail price is $17. Alright, let's do a swatch of that. Ooh, world's smallest doe foot. Oh, it's very dark. Boxycharm. Right there. But I'm curious if it looks that dark on the lips, so let's gloss it on up. It is dark. That is dark. Usually glosses are not that pigmented. That is a pigmented gloss. Okay. That one, not so much. Just because the shade match doesn't go with my complexion. Alright, last item is big and heavy. What is this? I saw the word Micellar. This is, ooh, it's from Tarte. Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. MSRP $18. Wow. Okay, 4 for 4. This is the best box I've gotten from Boxycharm in a long while. And even the one product I'm kind of it's not the product. This is not sticky at all. I hate sticky lip glosses. Just the shades. It's not dark for me. But I can make it work. So, what are your thoughts? Did you guys get a good box this month? Let's recap. We got a micellar water cleanser from Tarte. We got a concealer crayon from a company called Trestique. We got a Dose of Color lipstick. We got a lip gloss from a brand called Joer. And we got some resurfacing facial pads from ELEMIS. This is a fantastic box. I'm blown away. I'm almost speechless. Boxycharm. Iteration number 62 is good. Alright. I'm super excited. Give me your thoughts. Did you get a good box this month? If so, what iteration did you get? I'm so curious about the iteration. List it down below. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate any and everyone who takes the time to watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.